But my take on AI is, first of all, one truth is you can't stop it. It's like the internet. You know what I mean? I mean, the real question that you're subconsciously asking is this going to put me out of a job? Could it achieve some of the same looks that you're able to produce as a human? In the future, I think, yes. It's going to be like a prompt operator, right? Like, so I'm helping people who are launching a brand and just operating a brand. They don't live in Adobe Illustrator all day. And if it comes to that for the operators, it's going to be cheaper and quicker, or maybe like just less of a headache. Because even as a designer, I realize I don't want to go through the rounds of revision with you.
Absolutely insane. Like in seconds, I can be like, yo, this is pretty cool. And even though I might need to do some changes, I can clean those up pretty easily on Photoshop. But if you don't know Photoshop, another hack is to actually just take it to a Fiverr, right? So if you got like your final logo or your design that you created, but now you want to add some elements or remove some things, and in the AI design tool, you can't really do a lot of the things yet, send it to Fiverr, ask them to clean certain things up. They can literally do it for $5 or $10. And like, you literally have a mastered piece of art that, whether you're using AI or not, if you don't really know what constitutes something that looks good, then you're going to just be making crap. So, but I think it's giving everybody a playing field now that was like never seen before. And I think AI and print on demand together, absolutely, we're going to see some crazy stuff over the next few years.